Hi guys, and today we are doing a new series. Very exciting. It's in a game called Universe Sandbox 2. It's a really good game. I suggest you go check it out. But we're not looking at the solar system today. No. We're going to make a football the biggest thing. Mind you, there is going to be a little bit of cheating in this episode, so if you don't like cheating, wait till the next episode of Universe Sandbox if you want to see this series. Okay, so we start off with 2 footballs. Oh, what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Is it gonna... they don't do anything. Is it like gonna cause an... Okay, let's just get the stimulation all over again. Maybe need to get it closer together. Okay, so football. What does it do? Is it gonna gonna cause the 2 footballs to propel away? Yeah, it causes a bigger football. I thought we need to change the mass and they'd get bigger, but no. We just need to add footballs. Go, footballs, go. This football is hungry and it will not accept it going hungry. It will grow. 31 centimeters. Pretty soon we're going to do some other stuff. Come on. Don't ruin this football. Okay, can we do a watermelon? Not yet, but almost. We just need a few more footballs. Is this one going to do it? I sure hope so. It did it! Okay, so now let's do a watermelon. Wow. Another watermelon. Let's go. Ooh, a sledgehammer. It ate a sledgehammer. What about a long sword? It ate a long sword. Wow. They actually put bananas into Universe Sandbox 2. Next episode I'm going to try to get a banana. Next episode I've got an idea. I'm going to try to get a banana to be the big thing. For now, let's just do this. Okay, let's try out one more. The football's getting bigger. Okay, so what about a mirror tetrahedron? It looks so cool. Let me see if it is it smaller? No, we didn't spawn another one. That's good. Oh, it is. Okay, I think we need a small thing a watermelon. This is what a watermelon looks like compared to the football. The football's so big right now. Okay, let's just plant a few watermelons. Let's get a few watermelons. It's 80 kilograms. This football is going to be hard to hold, let alone how big it is. It's almost 1.50 meters. It's almost 1.50 meters. Now it is. Let's just do 2. Let's see what that does. 1.51. Can it eat a police box? Ooh, a Parker Solar Pro. Can it can, but I'm just going to do police boxes because a channel on YouTube does police boxes every time he hits 1.50 meters. So I'm just a Tesla Roadster. Will this work? It did. Keep feeding it, Tesla Roadsters. Come on, Tesla Roadster. Don't let my day down right now, because I'm having a really good time. Can it eat a Cassini? It can eat a Cassini spacecraft. Even though it doesn't look like it, it can. See that? That is a sign that your football is very big. You see, I'm not using Voyager 1 in this episode because I want to use the third stage for the Saturn V. And doing big objects makes it bigger, and I'm worried they'll be so big that it won't really change the size and it won't be the newest thing that we can do. So I'm just going to feed it some Cassini spacecrafts. I remember the time when I started this game, when I didn't even know how to get to this simulation where it's just you all alone. We can do the third stage of the Saturn V now. Yes. Eat the Saturn V. It did eat this. Well, it didn't actually eat the whole Saturn V. It just ate the third stage of it. But still, it's pretty big. It's 30 meters. You Juno. Can he eat Juno? Can he eat Juno? Can. Match of the day. Can the football defeat Juno? Yes, it can. It can defeat Juno. 2014 RC can actually eat asteroids. Whoa. We need to spin this down. Slow this down because this football is spinning so fast. Except then we won't really get to see the collisions in a while, so let's just speed it up. The football is spinning so fast. Asteroid, go to work. Make this bigger so I can do bigger objects. They're turning to ice because there's no star, but we don't care. We care about how big this football is getting. Whose foot could lift this off the ground? It's that number of kilograms. Hang on. Can it? Oh. It suddenly jumped from this to this. But what about milligrams? Oh, it's in the E numbers. Still in the E numbers in grams. It's probably almost in E numbers in kilograms. Yep, I think it's about to hit E numbers in kilograms. What about oh, it's not that big in kilometers. About meters. 38.8 meters. That's lame. I don't want numbers like that. What about? Is anything good around here? What about 2016? HQ3 can eat that asteroid, I think. Please don't tell me it. I was about to say, please don't tell me we don't need to start this again, but we don't. The football is doing so well. I said I'm going to cheat is because, well, you'll just see later. It's when we get to like asteroids sort of size. No, not these asteroids, like random asteroid size. Look, this is a random asteroid. That size. That's what the football. That's what I'm trying to get to. And even bigger. This is going to be a pretty long episode. 125 meters. We can do better than that. We can go to 2016 HQ3 and do this. This actually maybe this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do this. This 2016 HQ3. Go onto here and increase its size so that the football grows bigger when it hits the football. But if you don't like that kind of stuff, then skip this episode. 145 meters. But sometimes cheating is just necessary. Okay, can we eat the we can eat the Great Pyramid of Giza. Imagine seeing a football about 100 times, about twice the size of the Great Pyramid of Giza coming right at you. I would honestly be like, well, this is it. This is the end of my life. Ooh, what about the Arrival spacecraft? It can eat that. It can eat that. Let's go back to asteroids. What? Can we do like Shoemaker Levy 9? It's almost about the same size. Please tell me we didn't just. Didn't just kill the football. That's the one goal apart from it getting it to the biggest single solar system, to not kill the football. Just like City Skylines killed my old city. We don't want Shoemaker Levy 9 to kill this football. Imagine being in space in a spacesuit, and you're on the Great Pyramid, on a galactic Great Pyramid of Giza, and you're like, think of this, honey. Doesn't this make the marriage good? We're flying towards a giant football. And we're about to meet our demise. Probably the husband would scream. Anyways, we're not respecting the husband's screams because look, I will not respect this. If you can't do it, I will just do this. There you go. 2.18 kilometers. This one is this basketball. This football is big. I was about to say basketball. This is a normal football. You can't see it. You can see the Great Pyramid of Giza, but it's like a tiny little thing. Shoemaker Levy 9. Let's increase you in size, but only because I want the football to get bigger, not because I want you to gulp the football up. Let's get to like 2 kilometers. A little bit. There. Whoa. It just grew so much. Let's do like Shoemaker Levy 9. But it's 2.61 kilometers. Too much. Whoa. like Earth with 1,000 moons. That's right, you heard me correct. I'm going to do, next episode, we're going to do Earth with 1,000 moons. Well, not really next episode. It's not like City Skylines where it's like I split it up into different sort of episodes. It's just videos because I'm not going to continue my thing with the football. You can't really save your football in Universe Sandbox 2. You can't save your giant football, which is a bit sad. Universe Sandbox 2, can you work on that? Can you do like a save button where you can like save your work? Because that'd be really helpful. But I'm not telling you to like you actually need to do it. You can do whatever you want. It's just that it might be good. It's just that I wanted to see this giant football getting even bigger. But this is all just dreams. Scott mainly. Will it eat Scott mainly? It will eat Scott mainly. Why is it named Scott mainly when I don't think it was discovered in Scotland? Maybe it was, I don't know. I don't know where certain asteroids were found. Now stop complaining about that. I cannot control it. Okay, let's do this. Whoa, it's coming so big. Whoa. But this is the bit point where we cheat. So, again. So, 15BZ129. And then let's do this! The yard. Yep, now the football is much bigger. Okay, so 15BZ129, keep feeding it that. Maybe we can like get it to a certain point where it will. Okay, now this thing, believe it or not, does not represent asteroids. It represents minor, because these are not asteroids. These are either dwarf planets or planetoids. Most of them. Well, I can agree, Charklo, it maybe just is a big asteroid. But most of these are dwarf planets. Like Eris is a dwarf planet. Pluto is a dwarf planet, we all know that. Except for that one time when it was called a planet. Now it's not, because we know more about it, and we know that's only 1,180 kilometers big. That's still pretty big, I'd say. But anyways, let's carry on with our cheating. Yep, we're going to do another cheat move so that we can eat Charklo. The football is something over 100 kilometers across. So let's go back to the Great Pyramid of Giza. You can't see it. And if we go back to a football, you can't see it either. But let's do something just a little slightly bigger, because I don't want to like miss Charklo and have it move on to some random planet or random moon. Let's do that like to 20 kilometers. 105. Let's go even further. What will be the magic number? Will it be 30 kilometers? Okay, it's technically 30.7 kilometers. I'm going to have to use the edit tool because I do not want to lose this one. Velocity going straight at the football. There. Now meet your end. 107. Okay, let's just do 50 kilometers and see if that works. Oh, too far. There. Well, technically 50.7. But that's people who want to be annoying. So now I need to do one that's like 40 kilometers. This football is getting really big. I'm going to get it to Pluto big, but I promise at one point I got it to like the size of Jupiter. That's not a fake story, that's actually true. Oh. Let's just add a bunch. Oh, we can eat it now. So let's do chocolate. And the battle is on. It wasn't a battle because I knew that it would be bigger. Can we eat Mimas? Yep, we can eat Mimas. Let's keep eating Mimas. The football loves eating Mimas. It thinks it has a good taste for some reason. Tethlies, can we eat Tethlies? Yes, we can eat Tethlies. Okay, can we eat Pluto? Yes, we can. Okay, I'm going to go a little off and go to our own. Okay, let's eat our own moon, and then that's going to be it for this episode. Actually, I want to see what it would be like if it crashed into Earth. So let's go to planets. Earth. Whoa, the football is so big when you look at Earth from the perspective. It's like as big as Europe. What will the Earth think of when the football? What will the Earth think of this giant football? I don't think they'll really become friends. They definitely won't become friends. Nope, they won't become friends. The football crashes into Earth. Fragments go flying everywhere, although I thought it would be a hurricane because footballs contain air in them, don't they? Otherwise when you kicked one, you'd be going, ow, ow, ow. So I never knew they had fragments in them. Okay. Let's go one more experiment for this episode. I'm stretching it a bit too far, but this game is just awesome. Earth. Let's do Earth. Moon. Random moon. Because we just ate our moon. Wait, no. Let's do something even cooler. Not this stuff. Not this moon. Let's go to Ganymede, which was a about the same size as the football we just had. And then make it just entirely water. The sea levels will not like this. But hey, you've just got to deal with it sometimes. You've got to go through things in life you don't like. Although this will be pretty faithful to her. It's passing through the atmosphere. Wow, Ganymede, can you speed it up? Can you please? Oh. It's because I had it paused. Silly me. Okay, so let's turn it down to like 12 seconds. And Earth is now doomed. There goes the shockwave. The shockwave is probably going to spread around. There's the impact. There is the impact. There is the impact. There is the impact. There is the impact. Whoa. The shockwave is just spreading. I think it's going to spread across the world. It's freezing, but who cares? Let's do like this, so that's a bit faster. Now it's entirely ice, but it's still water, so it'll still get a big pond. Is Africa going to turn into a giant pond? Let's see if it did. On your daily questions answered, one of the people asked, has half of Africa become a giant pond, along with part of Saudi Arabia? And the answer is yes. Even part of Britain and most of Europe is underwater. See you next time. But seriously, like, this is the end of the video, so see you. Bye.